Using the dashboard. In Dashboard tab, double-click cell A1 and select a date from target month, and the metrics will update accordingly. The left half of the dashboard is for the selected month, and the right half for the selected year. The yellow cells on the dashboard are customizable. Adjust these cells to tailor the metrics and display the data you want to see. Most metrics are straightforward and self-explanatory, and you can refer to the user guide for details. In this video, we'll focus on areas where the power of video can make understanding easier than just reading the user guide. For category breakdown, you can sort the list by budget, actual, or category name. You can hide particular categories from the chart by unchecking the checkbox under Chart column. This can be useful when you want to filter out certain categories from view. Next, let's have a look at the detailed transactions tables. You can sort the transactions by specific field in the Sort by drop-down list. You can filter transactions using keywords in their notes. For example, you can filter transactions with notes containing the keyword ticket. Keep in mind that the filter affects all dashboard metrics and charts. Remember to clear it when done. You can hover your mouse to see the attachment preview, or click at the pop-up link to view the attachment. To inspect the original input in the expenses sheet, hover over the cell under the link column and click the pop-up link.